Alright, the game continues.
Ah, I just lost the game.
Sorry. It's 4-0.
Alright.
Me. Wait. Yeah, you can see her.
Come.
Oh. So. Oh, that hurt. Okay, so Jennifer got an axe for shooting me in the friggin' face, in my throat.
Oh, sorry. Oh.
Oh, she just like javelin my side.
Oh.
You're not really good at this, are you?
I was stuck as a guy. Oh, I put it off.
Oh! That was too better.
How do you know?
Really voice.
Alright. Oh.
Good job, Mom.
What?
Dang.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Alright. Woman? My neck hurts again. She's got a good axe for that.
I don't think I can happen.
I think someone saw got me. The game's continuing. Woman.
I was like, she's winning this job. And he was like, haha, da da da. That's because your shirt is, da da da. Yep, your shirt.
You mean my shirt? That's adorable bounce to it. Oh.
Ow.
Sorry. That's hard to do, I don't know why. There's a 3 text messages, guys. Shit, I'm only texting 2 people.
I'm texting 3. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
I heard Irish.
There's an Irish.
Oh.
There's a sound. Oh!
This is the children I have, but oh, we got stuck behind the blue one. Oh.
That's so cute. Oh, I got myself. Put your hand up. Okay, I'm good. Okay, there's 4 text messages, guys. 5.
From who?
And doing the stupid shuffle.
What?
We're doing the stupid shuffle?
We're doing the stupid shuffle? No. Oh.
Okay. It wasn't a legit one anyway.
Yeah, no. It was kind of funny.
I'm trying to the stupid shuffle.
Do you know what stupid shuffle is?
No. This is what happens in the. By the way, I'd like to note she did originally make one on me. Originally.
Then we started over.
Yeah, then we started over, so then. Because she was winning, actually, because she had 1, I had 0. But now it's. Yeah.
Okay. She did nothing. So
Yeah, flat chested, so it's all good.
harder.
That was just so off. You like throw where they go like sideways. See? Ow! It kills them into your boobs. Was that what?
Hmm?
Was that what?
Sorry. Oh. Oh.
Killing me over here.